Hello, and welcome back to Inner Wisdom. If you're new here, this channel is about self-empowerment, personal growth, and unlocking your full potential. Today, we're diving into one of the most important topics on the journey to self-improvement, breaking free from limiting beliefs and achieving your goals. Have you ever felt stuck, as if an invisible barrier is holding you back from reaching your true potential? That barrier is often created by limiting beliefs, the stories we tell ourselves that define what we can or cannot do. But the good news is you have the power to rewrite these stories. In this video, we'll explore how to identify and break free from limiting beliefs so you can take bold steps toward your dreams. Now, let's begin this transformative journey together. Before we can break free from limiting beliefs, we first need to understand what they are and how they form. Limiting beliefs are deeply rooted assumptions or thoughts that act as mental barriers. They're often shaped by past experiences, societal expectations, or even well-meaning advice from others. For example, someone who struggled with math as a child might believe they're bad at numbers and avoid financial planning or analytical tasks. These beliefs can restrict your potential and keep you from taking action. Take a moment to reflect. What stories do you tell yourself about your capabilities? Are these stories based on facts, or are they assumptions you've accepted as truth? To break free, you first need to identify your limiting beliefs. Here are 3 steps to help. 1. Write it down. Set aside time in a peaceful environment. Take a journal and write about the areas of your life where you feel stuck or unfulfilled. As you write, let your thoughts flow freely without judgment. Pay special attention to recurring negative thoughts like, "I'm not good enough," "I'm too old," or "it's too late for me." 2. Examine the origin. Look at each belief and ask, where did this come from? Was it something someone told you in your childhood? Was it a failure or rejection that planted the seed of doubt? Often, you'll find that these beliefs stem from isolated incidents or other people's opinions rather than universal truths. 3. Challenge the belief. For every limiting belief you uncover, challenge its validity. Ask yourself, is this belief based on facts, or is it a story I've been telling myself? Write down examples from your life where you prove this belief wrong, no matter how small they seem. For instance, if you think, "I'm bad at making friends," recall a time you connected with someone effortlessly. Through reflection, you'll start to see that many limiting beliefs are baseless and ready to be released. Now that you've identified your limiting beliefs, it's time to rewrite them. Here's how. 1. Turn negatives into positives. For each limiting belief, create a counter-statement that is positive, empowering, and believable. For example, instead of "I'll never succeed," write, "I have the skills and determination to achieve my dreams." Post these affirmations where you'll see them daily, like your mirror, desk, or phone wallpaper. 2. Envision your future self. Close your eyes and picture yourself living without those limiting beliefs. What does your life look like? What are you doing differently? Imagine the confidence, joy, and freedom you feel. Engage all your senses to make the visualization vivid and emotionally resonant. 3. Reinforce through action. Start taking small actions that align with your new beliefs. For example, if your affirmation is, "I am a confident public speaker," join a local Toastmasters group or volunteer to present at work. Each step reinforces your new narrative and proves to yourself that change is possible. 4. Celebrate growth. Acknowledge your progress, no matter how small. Each step forward, even imperfect ones, is evidence of your transformation. This builds momentum and strengthens your belief in your ability to change. Even with a positive mindset, obstacles will arise. The key is to turn these challenges into stepping stones for growth. Here's how. 1. Reframe the obstacle. Instead of viewing obstacles as roadblocks, see them as opportunities to learn and grow. For example, if you face rejection, ask, "What can I learn from this experience to improve for next time?" 2. Break down challenges. When faced with a daunting task, divide it into smaller, manageable steps. Tackling one step at a time makes the challenge less overwhelming and keeps you moving forward. 3. Leverage support systems. Don't be afraid to seek help. Talk to mentors, friends, or a support group. They can provide encouragement, advice, and fresh perspectives to help you navigate through tough times. 4. Maintain perspective. Remember that setbacks are temporary. Focus on your long-term goals and remind yourself why you started this journey in the first place. Journaling or creating a vision board can help keep your why front and center. 5. Embrace resilience. Develop a resilient mindset by embracing gratitude and self-compassion. When you stumble, be kind to yourself and focus on what you've already accomplished rather than what went wrong. Every obstacle you overcome adds to your strength and wisdom, preparing you for even greater achievements. As you let go of limiting beliefs, you'll discover the limitless potential within you. You'll realize that you're capable of far more than you once imagined. The key to this transformation lies in your willingness to embrace change, step out of your comfort zone, and take consistent, purposeful action. Consider this: what would your life look like if fear and doubt were no longer part of your story? Imagine waking up every day with clarity, confidence, and the determination to make your dreams a reality. When you release the weight of limiting beliefs, you open yourself to a world of possibilities, where each choice becomes a step toward fulfillment and joy. You are not defined by your past or the opinions of others. Your journey is unique, and you have the power to shape it. Remember, the most significant breakthroughs often come from within, from your decision to believe in your worth and potential. As you continue on this path, trust in your ability to grow, adapt, and thrive. Take that first step today, no matter how small. Each action you take is a declaration of your commitment to a brighter future. The world is waiting for the empowered, unstoppable version of you to shine. Thank you for joining me on this journey to break free from limiting beliefs and achieve your goals. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need this message, and don't forget to subscribe to Inner Wisdom for more inspiring content. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Together, let's continue to grow, empower ourselves, and embrace the limitless possibilities of life. Until next time, stay inspired and keep reaching for your dreams. See you in the next video.